Hello there, people. Have you ever wondered how you can change your system sound more like this?
You! Yes, you! You are dead!
You get a cookie if you know what game that's from. So anyways, let's say you want to, I don't know, get that sound as your alert sound. So what you have to do first is you look for a sound that you want to download, such as explosion. And you'd find that, but I don't really feel like it. So I'm just gonna say I'm gonna say it's this file that I downloaded. So after you download it, you gotta make sure it's an AIFF file, or audio interchange. I don't care. Then there's two F's. I don't really know what the F's stand for, but whatever. Well, the last one's format, I guess. And so, anyways, so after that, you go to Media Converter, whichever website you want to use. Media Converter. Convert if you're on like anything else. So, anyways, you go down to where it says MediaConverter.org. I got Media Convert on top because I usually use that on my account. So, moving on. So you go to Media Converter. Let it load. You do upload a file. You go click choose file, and now I'm gonna use the file that I showed before in my documents. So I'm gonna head over to over here, or downloads. I mean, not documents. And I'm going to select the file. I'm going to do choose. Okay. Go to the next step. Set the output file as... Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, it's MediaConvert.com. I'm going to probably edit that out. Yeah, you want to go to Media Convert. Sorry, people. So you select heavy, or whatever your file is called, and you select the input format, and then you select the output format to AIFF, audio interchange file format. Yeah, one of the F's right. Just leave these as they are. You don't need it to be louder, it to be any other. Alright, so then you click OK. I'll pause it and unpause it when it's done. Okay, it's processing the data. It took a little bit of time, but it's processing it. So you should see the ads. Don't click on the ads. As seen on retrograde, flat stomach roll. Seriously, I hate these ads. The flat stomach roll. It doesn't even look like the same person. Okay, still waiting. I'm going to pause it again. Okay, when you get a successful conversion, this should pop up. And now you download the AIF file. It'll go to your downloads. Should take a little bit to download. And then, while it's downloading, you want to go to Finder and navigate to this folder. You go to your hard drive, System, Library, well, not System, well yeah, System, and you navigate down to Sounds. Right here, I have my heavy sound for my alert. So what you want to do next is you wait for it to finish downloading. You wait and wait and wait for it to download. Oh my god, it's at 7 kilobytes per second. I'll pause it again since this takes so long. I'll pause it and unpause it when it's done. Okay, so once it's done, you close it, and you open up your window, you open up the folder that it's located in, and you drag it to it. When it asks you authenticate, type in your password. Okay, and it's in there. And next you go to settings, or system preferences. You could go through here. And then you go to sound. And for sound effects, you choose the one that you put in. And then it'll play it every time you do an incorrect keystroke, such as Control Z. Why isn't... oh yeah, I need to be in iTunes. Such as in Control Z. Crap. This never really happens to me. Oh well. Anyways. So then you get that as your system alert sound, as you heard in the beginning of the video. So without any further ado, this is Not Bob Tech, over and or out.